Hail to you, beautiful people. So today we're gonna react to a lot of videos. Today, the first one is gonna be Ozuna featuring Doja Cat featuring Sia Del Mar. It means of the sea. I haven't heard a Sia song in ages. Like she was mega, and Sia always had this weird career. Like she was mega, then she became popular again. Then she kind of disappeared. Then she became popular again with David Guetta. No, she at first she was like popular in the UK or something. She was doing like pop music, and then she became popular because of that song on Grey's Anatomy. I don't remember the name right now. Then she became popular because of David Guetta. Then she became popular because of Chandelier, Elastic Heart, and all that stuff. And then now she disappeared again. Cheap thrills, you know. But yeah. Doja Cat featuring Ozuna. I think this is gonna be a tropical song or a reggaeton song probably because Ozuna, that's all Ozuna does. So yeah, let's watch it. Oh. Fucking flies. This looks like Nemo. It looks like the star of Under the Sea animated movie, like Nemo and stuff like that. That's actually impressive. Oh my god. Ozuna, Ozuna. Sia's voice works pretty well with tropical reggaeton. I mean, it's not reggaeton, but I mean, this is reggaeton, but that's not what I'm talking about. Sia works pretty well with tropical sounding music because remember cheap thrills, so it kind of works. She makes it work. You know, the ad lib that she was doing, it works for her. Ozuna, I would say he needs to switch it up, but reggaeton singers usually they don't switch it up because if it ain't broke, why fix it? You know what I mean? But it sounds like it's fun. She's gonna sing in Spanish. Okay, Sia. Okay, Sia full. Okay, Miss Furler. That's not Doja Cat singing in Spanish too. Oh my god. Also, fucking flies. Ooh. I love this part. This one. Oh my god. You know what it looks like? You know, if you play Warframe, you know Equinox? It's just like Equinox. If you play Equinox, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So Doja Cat singing in Spanish. Doja Gato. Doja la Gata. Doja was like, meow. God damn. Oh, you're married, Ozuna. Damn. Damn. She can do anything. She can do disco, she can do reggaeton, she can do pop, she can do hip hop. Oh my god. Jesus. She's playing the game right. She's playing the game right. The game these days, it's like the Blackie Speaks video was talking about. It's kind of like the fast food era of music in general, not just hip hop. The more the better, quantity over quality these days. This is quality too, but it's mainly quantity over quality. Just be in every single motherfucking popular song you can be. That's how you do that motherfucking. That's how you play the motherfucking game. That's how you play it. Oh, yeah, when I ain't got pet, you nasty. Damn. I don't need a ticket because I'm past these bitches. She's rapping like Nicki. And up with your bitches and up with your bitches. My niggas. Remember that song? She killed it. She killed it. She kills everything she motherfucking does. I don't know if I'm gonna download this song because it's quite. It's reggaeton is quite. It works for the club and it works for the car, but it's like it's always the same kind of beat. It's always the same kind of vibe. This is no different from any other song he's ever done. Like it's not saying that he always does the same song over and over, and he's a good singer, he's a good artist, but it's generic. I mean, it is. It's like it's a generic reggaeton song, which there's nothing wrong with that. But I don't know if I'm gonna download it because it sounds like any other. I can listen to the other song, then it's gonna be the same. You know what I mean? Just saying. But I like this though. But I don't know if it's download worthy. That's what I'm saying. Her titties though. Let me see it again. Damn Doja. Doja la gata. Doja Spanish Doja cat. Doja la gata. He said I think he said something like, oh, in my videos I never want to be too vulgar. Sexy, yes, but not vulgar, which I can see. This video is dope, by the way. This video is amazing. What's with the whole submarine and underwater theme? Lil Mix did that. I've heard that song with Charlie XCX and Diplo and Hervey Pages. It's called Spicy. It's kind of like a rework of Wanna Be by the Spice Girls. Go listen to it, it's pretty good. And it's underwater too, so there's a lot of underwater kind of videos. Cupcake made a video like this too. I love Cupcake, man. Doja can dance. I love the chemistry. When they sing together, it's good. I like it when they sing together because they have chemistry. Wait, is it Sia or Doja? Wait. She got amazing. It's good. They're talking about tropical, blah blah blah, and then I got a natural body, no one compares, stuff like that. Looks like Bruno Mars a bit there. Oh, the little ghost is supposed to be Sia. I'm an idiot. I was thinking about what is that? Why is it still floating around in the video? And I was like, it's Sia because the black and white wig. She's got such a. Her voice is so commercial. Her voice is. Sorry, let me rephrase that. Her voice is such a. She's got a powerhouse voice and she's got her little cutesy commercial voice. I love it. I love the versatility. Talking about Sia. Must admit, Ozuna kind of got overshadowed in this song, just like Taki Taki got overshadowed completely by anybody else. If this was a normal, this should have come out before this summer. If it was a normal summer this year. Hey, hey, hey. Very simple song. Very simple. I like it. I like it. I cannot assure you that I'm gonna download this, but I'm gonna listen to it. Maybe. Playlist? No, but a couple streams. I'll give it that. I'll give you that. I'll give you that, Ozuna. He should make a song with Bruno Mars now, thinking about it, because Bruno Mars is actually Puerto Rican. He's Puerto Rican, Bruno Mars is Puerto Rican. Boom. You have a hit. Reggaeton, funky song, just do it. You all look similar, and you too. I watched enough hentai to see where that was going with those tentacles. Hey, I like Doja's outfit. Doja with the dance moves. Doja stole the show. Doja stole the show. Sia cannot steal the show because vocally yes, but visually no, because she's never in her videos. But you know what I mean. It reminds me of that movie with Will Smith, with the fishes. What's it called? Oh my god, what's it called? Shark Tales. Shark Tale. But yeah, it was cute. It was cute. It was cute. I'll give it a 7. I'll give it a 7. I'll give it a 7. It was cute. Give it a 7. Yeah. Yeah. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.